Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today I thought we'd have a look at some easy-peasy prepositions. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board. First of all, look at these 4 sentences. They each have missing prepositions. What are the missing prepositions? They will either be at, in or on. We're just looking at those 3 today. So have a look at the first sentence. The Loch Ness Monster lives the bottom of the lake and comes the surface from time. What are the missing prepositions? At, in or on? Look at number 2. I'm returning France the end of this term. Number 3. I'm interested chess, but I'm not very good it. And the last one, number 4. He started going school the age of 5. So there we are, 4 sentences. There's a missing preposition. Which preposition goes into these spaces? At, in or on? Have a look at the first one. The Loch Ness Monster lives the bottom of the lake. You either live at the top, at the bottom. So it's at. The first one, at. The bottom of the lake. And comes, so you're going in a direction. So if you're going into a direction of something, you use to. You go to, you come to. Comes to the surface. Comes to the surface from time to time. Correct. An expression, time to time. So, the Loch Ness Monster lives at the bottom of the lake and comes to the surface from time to time. Have a look at number 2. I'm returning. Again, you're going in some kind of direction. So I'm returning to France. I'm returning to France. And the end of this term, you're looking at a time period. So at the end. I'm returning to France at the end of this term. Number 3. I'm interested chess. Common expression. Interested in. You're always interested in something. So I'm interested in chess. I'm interested in chess, but I'm not very good at it. You're always good at something, or not good at something in this case. So I'm not good at it. I'm interested in chess, but I'm not very good at it. And the last one, he started going to school. Correct. He started going to school at the age of 5. If you're talking about ages and things like that, it's at the age of. He started going to school at the age of 5. So there we are. English grammar, prepositions, at, in and on. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.